Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take your Slovak to the next level with 15 amazing words that will make you sound like a native speaker. If you know these words, your Slovak is amazing. Let's dive in. The first word is úžasný, which means amazing. This word is great for expressing admiration and astonishment. For example, ten film bol úžasný. Ten film bol úžasný. That movie was amazing. You can use it to describe experiences, people, or things that leave you in awe. For instance, táto kniha je úžasná. Táto kniha je úžasná. This book is amazing. Next we have potešenie. Potešenie, which means pleasure. This word is commonly used in social interactions to express enjoyment or satisfaction. For example, je mi potešením vás spoznať. Je mi potešením vás spoznať. It's my pleasure to meet you. You can also use it when doing something you enjoy. Čítanie je moje potešenie. Čítanie je moje potešenie. Reading is my pleasure. Zvláštny can mean strange or special depending on the context. For example, to je zvláštne. To je zvláštne. That's strange. When you encounter something unusual. Skvelý is a fantastic way to say great. It's a positive word that can describe anything from experiences to people. For example, to bolo skvelé. To bolo skvelé. That was great. Use it to compliment someone's work. Odviedol si skvelú prácu. Odviedol si skvelú prácu. You did a great job. Prekvapenie. Prekvapenie means surprise. Surprises can be pleasant or unexpected, and this word covers both. For example, mám pre teba prekvapenie. Mám pre teba prekvapenie. I have a surprise for you. In a different context, bolo to veľké prekvapenie. Bolo to veľké prekvapenie. It was a big surprise. Smiešny means funny. It's perfect for describing something that makes you laugh. For example, to bolo smiešné. To bolo smiešné. That was funny. You can also use it to describe a person. On je veľmi smiešný. On je veľmi smiešný. He is very funny. Príležitosť means opportunity. This word is often used in professional and personal contexts. For example, je to skvelá príležitosť. Je to skvelá príležitosť. It's a great opportunity. When speaking about seizing opportunities, nepremeškaj túto príležitosť. Nepremeškaj túto príležitosť. Don't miss this opportunity. Skúsenosť. Skúsenosť means experience. This word is useful in various contexts, whether you're talking about work or life events. For example, mám s tým skúsenosť. Mám s tým skúsenosť. I have experience with that. when sharing a memorable event. Bola to nezabudnutelná skúsenosť. Bola to nezabudnutelná skúsenosť. It was an unforgettable experience. Dôležitý means important. This word is essential for expressing the significance of something. For example, je to veľmi dôležité. Je to veľmi dôležité. It's very important. Use it in context like prioritizing tasks. Je dôležité dokončiť tento projekt. Je dôležité dokončiť tento projekt. It's important to finish this project. Nápad means idea. This word is great for brainstorming and creativity. For example, mám skvelý nápad. Mám skvelý nápad. I have a great idea. When encouraging others, každý nápad je vítaný. Každý nápad je vítaný. Every idea is welcome. Pravda means truth. This word is fundamental in conversations about honesty and integrity. For example, hovoríš pravdu? Hovoríš pravdu? Are you telling the truth? When affirming something, to je pravda. To je pravda. That is true. Vzťah means relationship. This word can refer to both personal and professional connections. For example, máme dobrý vzťah. Máme dobrý vzťah. We have a good relationship. When discussing different types of relationships, je to pracovný vzťah. Je to pracovný vzťah. It is a professional relationship. Pokrok means progress. It's a positive word often used in the context of development and improvement. For example, robíme pokrok. Robíme pokrok. We are making progress. In personal growth, som hrdý na svoj pokrok. Som hrdý na svoj pokrok. I am proud of my progress. Zodpovednosť means responsibility. This word is important in contexts where duty and accountability are involved. For example, je to moja zodpovednosť. Je to moja zodpovednosť. It is my responsibility. When discussing job roles, má veľkú zodpovednosť. Má veľkú zodpovednosť. He or she has a lot of responsibility. Trpezlivosť means patience. This is crucial in many aspects of life. For example, trpezlivosť ruže prináša. Trpezlivosť ruže prináša. Patience brings roses, meaning patience pays off. When advising someone, maj trpezlivosť. Maj trpezlivosť. Have patience. Inšpirácia means inspiration. This word is often used in creative contexts. For example, si moja inšpirácia. Si moja inšpirácia. You are my inspiration. When talking about sources of creativity, hľadám inšpiráciu. Hľadám inšpiráciu. I am looking for inspiration. And there you have it. 15 plus amazing Slovak words that will boost your vocabulary and make you sound more fluent. Practice these words, use them in your conversations, and soon you'll see great improvement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Slovak language tips. Thank you and goodbye!